welcome to my channel. I'm Amy and I'm so glad you joined me today. Today I'm going to show you how to make sugar cookies. Now I am going to make mine gluten-free and dairy-free, but you don't have to. You can just follow my recipe exactly and just go ahead and substitute in regular flour and regular butter and it will turn out the same, except yours will probably taste a little better than mine since you can have the real stuff and I can't. Okay. So first what we're gonna do is I have softened a stick of vegan butter, and if you don't want to use vegan butter, you can use regular butter. So we're gonna put that in the mixer. Okay, we need 1 cup of sugar. We're gonna mix that and go ahead and cream the butter and sugar together. After you cream the butter and the sugar together, then you're gonna add your eggs. Now I'm going to put egg whites in mine. You don't have to, you just need 1 egg. So I am going to put 1/4 of a cup of my egg substitution in. You're also going to use 1½ teaspoons of vanilla. And then you're going to mix that up. Okay, now I'm going to put a secret ingredient in. I like to put cinnamon in mine. You don't have to, it's optional. I'm just going to put 1/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. Next thing you need is 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. We're going to use 2 cups of flour. Any kind of milk you have is fine. But we're going to put a tablespoon in. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put this into a bowl, into a glass bowl. And normally I put it in the refrigerator for about an hour to chill, but I'm going to cheat a little bit. I'm going to put this in the freezer for about 15-20 minutes. And there we go. So we're just going to pop it in the freezer and let it chill. So I took my dough out of the freezer, and now I'm just going to flour my cutting board, and then we can roll out the dough. Okay, so now we're going to cut out some cookies. I preheated the oven to 350 degrees, and I'm going to cook these about 10 to 12 minutes. So the cookies have come out of the oven and they've completely cooled, and now they're ready to be iced. So be sure to go to my description box and you can click on the link to see my buttercream icing recipe. Have a wonderful day. So I took my dough out of the freezer, and now you just need to flour your workspace. We're flouring a workspace.